In a dramatic move that has captured the attention of the pharmaceutical industry, GlaxoSmithKline, GSK, has announced a massive $30 billion investment in the United States. This decision comes at a time when the UK pharmaceutical sector is facing serious challenges, prompting many to question the future of drug development and manufacturing within the region. As GSK turns its focus to the US, it is important to look closely at the implications of this investment, the current state of the UK pharma landscape, and the future of healthcare innovation. The current state of the UK pharma sector. Historically, the UK has been a leader in the global pharmaceutical industry. Known for its culture of innovation and extensive research, the country has produced breakthrough drugs that have changed lives. However, recent years have brought significant hurdles that are diminishing the industry's growth. Key factors include regulatory hurdles. The UK has seen increased regulations that slow down the approval process for new drugs. For instance, the average time for drug approvals can now span over 18 months compared to about 8 months in the US. Rising operational costs. Pharmaceutical companies are facing higher costs for research, making it harder to bring new products to market. A study by the Association of the British Pharmaceutical Industry, ABPI, revealed a 25% increase in operational costs over the last 5 years. Increased competition. Emerging markets, particularly in Asia, are becoming major players in drug manufacturing and innovation, drawing investment away from the UK. Pharmaceutical investment in countries like China has risen by 15% annually, attracting firms looking for lower costs. These issues, compounded by Brexit uncertainties, have led to a notable decline in new drug approvals and reduced research and development activities. As a result, the UK pharmaceutical sector is at a pivotal point, and rejuvenation is urgently needed. GSK's strategic shift. GSK's $30 billion investment in the US signifies a decisive strategic shift for the company toward a more favorable environment for drug development. This move provides multiple advantages. Streamlined regulatory process. The US's Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has demonstrated a comparatively quicker drug approval process, allowing companies to introduce new therapies faster. Access to talent. The US boasts a large pool of skilled professionals in pharmaceuticals and biotechnology, making it easier for companies to find the expertise they need. For instance, more than 90% of the world's top biotech companies are based in the US. Robust infrastructure. The US provides a rich ecosystem of research institutions and universities, which can support innovation. By focusing on the US market, GSK can accelerate its pipeline of innovative therapies and improve patient access to life-saving medications. Implications for the UK pharma industry. While GSK's investment in the US represents a major opportunity for the company, it raises alarm bells for the UK pharmaceutical sector. The diversion of resources could trigger further declines in both investment and innovation in the UK. Other pharmaceutical firms might follow GSK's example, accelerating the current trends that threaten the UK industry. This shift could lead to significant job losses and reductions in the number of research opportunities. According to recent forecasts, up to 30,000 jobs could be at risk if these trends continue, massively impacting the UK's economy and healthcare system. To navigate these challenges, the UK government and industry leaders must take proactive steps. This includes creating a favorable regulatory environment. Simplifying the approval process for new drugs could reinvigorate the UK's status as an attractive place for pharmaceutical companies. Investing in research and development. Funding for R&D can drive innovation. The UK government could allocate more resources to public-private partnerships aimed at fostering new developments. The role of innovation in revitalizing the sector. Innovation is vital to the pharmaceutical industry's survival, making it crucial for the UK to reclaim its leadership in drug development. Cultivating a culture of innovation can attract new investments and highly skilled talent. One approach could be to increase funding for research initiatives, which might involve public-private partnerships. These can pool resources from both sectors to support promising innovations. Incentives for startups. Grants and tax breaks for emerging companies can stimulate groundbreaking research. Embracing cutting-edge technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning can further streamline the drug discovery process. For example, companies using AI for drug discovery have reported time reductions in developing new drugs by 50%, enabling faster market launches. The importance of collaboration. Collaboration among stakeholders is essential for rejuvenating the UK pharmaceutical sector. Partnerships between pharmaceutical companies, academic institutions, and government agencies can yield numerous benefits. Shared resources and knowledge. By collaborating, these entities can leverage each other's strengths, leading to more innovative solutions for healthcare challenges. Development of new therapies. Working together can lead to breakthroughs in medical science, addressing unmet medical needs that affect millions. Moreover, fostering a collaborative atmosphere can attract international investments and talent to the UK. By establishing itself as a hub for pharmaceutical innovation, the UK can work towards regaining its industry leadership. The future of GSK and the UK pharma sector. As GSK embarks on this ambitious $30 billion investment in the US, the UK pharmaceutical sector faces an uncertain future. GSK's success could provide a roadmap for other firms, yet it emphasizes the urgent need for the UK to make necessary adjustments. Recognizing the challenges and acting decisively are critical steps in creating a more favorable environment for pharmaceutical innovation. Addressing regulatory issues, investing in research, and encouraging collaboration among various stakeholders will be vital. Ultimately, the future of the UK pharma sector depends on its adaptability and innovation. By embracing new technologies and fostering collaboration, the UK has the potential to revitalize its pharmaceutical landscape and maintain its relevance in the global market. Looking ahead, GSK's $30 billion investment in the US is a significant turning point for the pharmaceutical industry, particularly in light of the challenges facing the UK sector. While this investment provides GSK with opportunities for growth and innovation, it also highlights the pressing need for the UK to address its own shortcomings. To ensure a robust future for the UK pharmaceutical sector, it will be crucial to cultivate innovation, foster collaboration, and attract investment. By taking proactive steps today, the UK can rejuvenate its pharmaceutical landscape and secure its position in the global market for years to come. As stakeholders rally together, they can build a sustainable environment for the pharmaceutical innovations that will shape tomorrow's healthcare.